ultrasonic plus LCD plus buzzer activity on the trainer kit. Just imagine, how do cars detect obstacles while parking? So today, let's build a mini version of parking sensor using the ultrasonic sensor, LCD and the buzzer. In this activity, the ultrasonic sensor measures the distance of an object, the LCD shows the value, and the buzzer triggers an alarm when the object comes to close. Let's see how ultrasonic sensor works. It has two parts, the trigger part and the echo part. The trigger pin sends out a short ultrasonic pulse. The echo pin receives the reflected sound when it bounces off an object. And the Arduino measures the time taken and converts it into a distance using this formula. The formula is distance is equal to time into speed of sound divided by 2. So application of this activity is parking sensors, obstacle detection robots, blind spot or detectors. We can use here. Now we will do coding for this activity. Here is the code for this activity. So in this activity we will also select the board, select the port and upload the program. The procedure is same for all these activities. As I uploaded the code the ultrasonic sensor works just like a bat's echolocation system. It sends out an ultrasonic pulse, waits for it to bounce back from an object and then measures the time taken. From this we calculate the distance in centimeters. Now comes to the buzzer part. If the object comes closer than a set distance, for example 50 cm, then the buzzer turns on and warning an alarm. If the object is beyond the safe distance, the buzzer remains off. This activity is great example of how we can create distance measurement systems, obstacle detection and safety alarms. It's the same concept used in the car parking sensors, robotics and industrial safety system. So this is our fourth activity.